Now, let's take a look at the Canon Legria HFM series. While other camcorders may have touchscreen, none are intuitively as easy, as friendly and as quick to set up. Compare this with the complex interface of competitor brands, their longer setup time and lengthy scrolling menus. See why Canon Legria, with its user-friendly interface, easy navigation between scenes and playback, is superior? Let's now look at the touch and track feature on the HFM series. Once you've selected your subject, see how easily Legria tracks him. With touch focus, you can decide by touch the subject of your focus. The intuitive touchscreen also means that you can instinctively zoom in on your preferred subject. Then, with touch exposure, you can lock exposure by simply touching an area, making it, as always, a perfect movie experience. Imagine all the quality footage you'll get if you could leave all the scene setting analysis to the camcorder and just concentrate on capturing sensational movie moments. Well, now you can, with Legria's amazing 31 scene detection smart auto. Compare this with our competitors and the numbers speak for themselves. From backlight, blue sky, to macro and vivid, sunset to night scene. You just point and shoot, and Legria ensures optimal settings are achieved. Quality movies have never been so effortless. Dynamic Image Stabilizer intelligently compensates for shakes and movements, giving you steady shots, as you can see from the demo. Canon is proud to introduce Powered Optical Image Stabilizer, a technology found in Canon binoculars. Now, zoomed-in images are remarkably stable when you put your Legria into Powered Image Stabilizer mode. You'll enjoy long-range shooting with powerful image stabilization. See the difference for yourself. It's Canon Legria quality like this that has the competitors all shaken up. Video Snapshot is another useful feature that allows you to create movies effortlessly. Put your camcorder into Video Snapshot mode and you can record short movie snippets of 2, 4 or 8 seconds. Or you can select these time intervals for your existing video footage. String the movie snippets, add preset music from the camcorder, and present your effortlessly edited video footage from the camcorder itself to family and friends. You can even link it up to portable music devices and enjoy music in sync with your video playback. Now, let's say you're shooting a subject and something else suddenly captures your attention. With instant autofocus, all it takes is 0.5 seconds for the camcorder to refocus on a new subject. In comparison, the competitor models would take longer to perform a similar task. Here's another feature that makes Legria a superior product. In low light conditions, see how Legria captures fine details, mood, and colour vibrancy missed by other camcorders. And in night scene mode too, where others keep you in the dark, Canon Legria HFM series clearly excels. Finally, here's another reason to take the plunge with the Legria HFM series. With its optional underwater housing, you can shoot true full HD quality video underwater to a depth of 40 meters without the bluish tint. So you'll always get natural looking videos. Resurface to land, press power and photo button, and you can continue shooting your movie in superb true full HD video quality without removing the housing or manually changing scene modes. With all the features we've talked about, and with resolution that's exceptionally astounding, Legria truly delivers superior quality movies. The imaging specialist clearly outshines the competition in colour resolution. In short, the Canon Legria HFM series, with unique features like powered image stabilizer and video snapshot, leads the way. Comparing feature for feature with competitive brands, it's easy to see why Canon Legria is the outstanding choice.